G'day, Aaron from Bergstock. Today we'll have a quick look over heater delete kits. I'll install one. I've got both versions sitting here. We've got the R chassis here. You'll see it's straight off the back of the heater outlet block. VL has the extra bend because the engine mount sits in here, and the engine mount actually sits just under the edge of that. So when installing this, you have to make sure you've clocked it on the right angle. You will have some problems. But we'll go ahead now and install this. It comes in basically three parts. We have the outer end, which is on the back of the block, which is the bend and the fitting which goes into the block. And on this end we have the block itself, which goes into the back of the thermostat. You'll need to remove the water pump and the thermostat to get this in, to get the old fitting out. So you've got room to put this in. And we'll go ahead and put this in and you can watch how this all works.